What's up, guys? Welcome back to Run My Crypto. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome day today, guys. So what I'm going to talk about is I'm going to break down some of the X. If you guys follow me on X, Run My Crypto, follow me on X, right? Twitter, formerly known as Twitter, whatever the case may be. Guys, it's super hot out here in Southern California, so don't mind the tank top, but that's how we roll out here. So anyways, let's get into this video, guys. I'm going to break down essentially what I was trying to get across to you guys on that X post that I put up. So we're gonna jump into that. We're gonna chop that up in detail. What am I expecting for JASMY, and what should you guys expect for JASMY in the next coming weeks or next coming months? Bullish sentiment, guys, and I think we are at a position where JASMY is going to take off. Now everybody was really scared, not me, because I literally did something that I normally don't do. In the last I think it was, I pulled out right before we dropped. And I didn't pull out everything. I pulled out a big chunk, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna pull out at this 29 because we're bouncing back and forth from 29 to 28, 29, and I really thought we were gonna go up, but I kind of had a hunch that we were gonna see some big downside. So what I did was I cashed out. I put it into Coinbase Cash, and what I did is basically picked it back up at 20. I think we're at 25, 24, something like that, 0.24, and here we are, guys, sitting at 0.031. So make sure you guys watch all the way through to the end, guys. It's not financial advice, just some education. We're going to talk about that post that I put out because now I believe we're headed into some areas for JASMY that we've been looking for quite some time. So stay tuned, guys. Watch all the way through to the end. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. And again, this is not financial advice. This is just Run My Crypto, dropping some knowledge on that behind. Let's go. All right, guys. So if you guys want to follow me on X, here is my actual profile for X. So it is in the link is going to be in the description, but it's Run My Crypto. I Run My Crypto. I'm not verified, but you know, maybe I should, I don't know. So anyways, this is what I posted, right? So I posted this, and it says, looking at JASMY, I see a breakout if we close green the next 5 days. So I really wanted to break this down, guys, and see, you know, just give you guys an explanation of what I was doing, because I was actually working on this for a while. So I really wanted to address the positives in this. You know, this is where we took that big hit down to like 20, it was like 20 something, and this is where I said, you know, I was thinking we were gonna start seeing that 8 cent, you know, 10 cent, because what I thought we were gonna do is we're gonna drop here and then come up and then just catapult, right? But at this situation, we were currently sitting at, you know, somewhat of an inverted head and shoulders, guys. So we had some sort of a validation on the inverted head and shoulders. We had you know, these areas, but then we also had a bull flag formation, and then if we could even go to a cup and handle with a breakout, right? So there was like so many bullish sentiments on here, but this is what I posted, and I really wanted to give you guys an idea of why I think we're gonna go up to that 6 to 8 cents from here, because you know, statistics say that if, you know, you look at the past and the history, when coins start to move up, we see certain telltale signs or certain leading indicators that would give us the idea of that we're going to go far beyond the last expectation. But anyways, we got some good views, 4.3 thousand views on this one right here. So let's go jump into it. Let's not waste no time. So here it is, guys. This is where I actually drew it. So if we kind of zoom in, I'm here at TradingView. So this is where it kind of landed, so you guys could see. This is where I got pretty much all my data. Sorry for coughing, guys. My throat's dry. So, you know, I saw the inverted head and shoulders. I seen the cup and handle with the breakout. So my breakout point for this was essentially going to be where that line was, guys, and I was like, if we could hit this line and close above this line for the next 5 days, I think what's going to happen is we're going to have enough volume and enough firepower to drive past. And now if we zoom out a little bit, we're going to drive past this mark right here. So this was where a lot of people think we're going, but if you zoom out and pan out as much as you possibly can. So right now I'm going to go, we're on the 4 hour, we're going to push this up to the daily, because that allows us to kind of pan out a little bit. Now, realistically speaking, you know, the area of interest is obviously going to be that area right there, right? So this is what we think we can expect to see going forward, right? Is to reach that 4 cent level. But what's kind of really pushing me to think that we're just going to blow past this is essentially, and putting us, I'm essentially thinking, based on, you know, information that I pulled before in the past, that we could actually see JASMY go to, you know, the 8 to 10 cent level, would put us around here in this area right here. Why do I think that? And why do I think that? I think that is essentially because, you know, JASMY really should have got knocked out when we seen that crazy dip, right? But we kind of seen it coming, right? Because we knew that something was going on, something was fishy. You know, we had a big dump of Bitcoin, but, you know, recovery for a project, to see JASMY basically go down and then just slide back up within a matter of 2 days. It recovered really healthy. Now, why do I think we're going to go to 8 cents or 10 cents in, you know, the next 5 weeks, or, you know, the next few days, or even the next few months? I think it's going to happen a lot sooner, because I believe what we could expect for year-end 2024 is like being in that 32 cent range, because, you know, once we see Bitcoin surpass that 70,000 level, we get into the 100,000, that's where you're going to see JASMY go into that 30 cents level. And, you know, this is going to be a really insane bull run. I think we're going to go to the elections into November 2025. I think we're going to see another phenomenal run. You know, another thing to take note is that, you know, the community behind JASMY is really crazy. It's growing wild. There's just so many more people in tune with JASMY. So just some motivation to get you guys pumped up, guys, and be ready and understand that JASMY did come back from a big deficit, and then, you know, we're here at those levels where I thought, you know, we would. So going back to, you know, that post that I put on Twitter, that green line that ran across was naturally where I believed was gonna put us at that area where we could really catapult up into those higher levels of valuation for JASMY. So you know, just kind of giving you a breakdown of what to look for. You know, being on top of that green line is really going to build a strong support, and I think we'll break way past 4 cents, because everybody's predicting that we go back to 4 to 5 cents. But I honestly think we're going to get to more of a 8 to 10 cent, because this is going to be a big bump up of community. The volume's just been compounding over and over again. The buys, the holders, everything so positive for JASMY. So if you guys are in JASMY, congratulations. And to all the holders, they got out because they got scared when we fell back down to those lower levels. It is what it is. I actually seen that. I kind of felt that was going to happen. So like I said, I was able to capitalize on about maybe 4 to 5% increase in tokens just by being diligent and, you know, doing my research and trying to follow these charts as much as I possibly can. So shout out to you guys who follow me on X. Shout out to you guys who follow me, who are subscribed to the Rub My Crypto channel. Thank you guys so much. Such a blessing to have a community the size of, you know, that I do have. And I thank you daily. So JASMY, let's go. Keep it going 100, guys. And let's reach that 0.08, 0.10 or 10 cent level in the next couple weeks. All right. Take care, guys. Make sure you guys are subscribed. Thank you guys if you guys watched all the way through to the end. Take care. I'll see you guys when I can get to the next one. Take care.